Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how I make at least $1,800 a day. Although, spoiler alert, today I managed to earn much more than that. Trading isn't as difficult as it seems. And I think that after watching this video, you'll see that for yourself. I won't waste your time, so let's get straight to analyzing my trading session. Before you start trading, it's essential to check the economic calendar. As you can see, there aren't any major news events right now, so you can trade calmly without worrying about sudden huge candles on the chart. Next, I switch to TradingView and start analyzing the situation on the euro to dollar currency pair. On the hourly chart, I'll mark the global level where the price is currently located. I'll also mark the direction of the global trend, which, as you can see, is downward. That means it will be safer to open a trade downwards. I'll also mark the global support level that the chart is currently moving towards. Now let's switch to the 5-minute time frame, and here we can see a local downtrend. And most importantly, you can see how the price broke through the support level and, after retesting it, continues to move down. Everything points to further movement towards the global support level, so I'm switching to pocket option, the link is in the comments, and I'll open a 6-minute trade for $1,000 downwards. There was a pullback back to the level. That could easily have happened. I'll just open a $3,000 coverage trade from here. This is the market, and it's practically impossible to perfectly predict the movement of every candle down to the second, so you should always have an amount set aside for coverage trades in case, before following the analysis, the price decides to test the level again or simply make a corrective move. I'll be waiting for the trade to close. As you can see, the predicted movement happened, and even my first trade closed in profit. I'll be waiting for the second trade to close as well. And the coverage trade also, of course, closed in profit, bringing in as much as $2,760 in addition to the previous trade. On this currency pair, I could have opened another trade for a decrease, since the price hasn't reached the level yet. In my usual trading, that's exactly what I would have done, but so you can understand how to analyze correctly, I'll look for more situations that could be worked through. I hope this deserves your like and subscription to the channel. I immediately see a good situation on a currency pair, pound sterling to Canadian dollar. First, let's determine the direction of the global trend. It's moving downward for us. Alright, now I'll mark the global area that the price has just reached, and the area it will head to next. Next, let's switch to the 5-minute chart. Here we see a good reaction to the level. There are decent pullbacks from this level, which means a breakout is unlikely. I'll switch to the broker for now and open a $1,000 trade downwards for 4 minutes. And now I'll continue explaining. Here I'll mark the local support level that the price will reach first. And we can also highlight a local horizontal level that the chart will move towards. I'll switch to pocket option for now and watch how the trade unfolds. We can see that there's currently a small pullback from the support level. It might continue up to the upper level of the channel and only after that move in our direction. The price has reached this resistance level, so I'll open a 4-minute trade downwards for $3,000 as a cover. My trade closed in profit, but the expected movement hasn't happened yet, so I'll wait a bit to show you that the price will move in the predicted direction, just with a slight delay. As you can see, the movement has started, and it will continue further. And I'll look for another situation to analyze for you. So, I've found a very good currency pair to work with. I'll highlight the downtrend here, which also serves as my resistance level. The price has now approached it quite sharply, and usually after a sharp rise, there's a sharp drop. That's why I immediately switch to the option package and open a trade for a decline. Now let me break it down in more detail. On the hourly chart, we can also see a global downtrend here. Then, on the 5-minute time frame, you can identify a level that the price might reach. If, by some chance, it breaks through this level, which is highly unlikely since everything points to a pullback, let's analyze in more detail what's happening with the chart right now. We can see how the price sharply broke through a small local level and approached a strong resistance level. Such a sharp move should be followed by a sharp pullback. Here is the level that the price broke through, as well as another local resistance level where I entered the trade. And the support level, which is the first target the price should reach. I'm switching to pocket option and will wait for the trade to finish. The trade closed in profit, but the expected movement hasn't happened yet. So to show you that the analysis is correct, I'll open another trade, but this time not for $1,000, but for $500, since I've already earned enough from this session. I opened the trade for just 2 minutes because I believe that's enough time for the expected movement. While the trade is running, I want to tell you about an opportunity that no sane person could refuse. Specifically, I want to tell you about my Telegram channel where I post my trades, which you can simply copy and earn together with me. There you can also find a ton of other useful information about trading. So join my team using the link in the comments and start earning from trading just by following a professional. And as you can see, the pullback, it happened and the trade accordingly closed in profit. From this video alone, I managed to earn as much as $6,760. That's more than enough, so I'm going to wrap up trading for now. Don't forget about my Telegram channel, where you can find even more useful information about trading. Or you can copy my trades and earn together with us. I wish you good luck and look forward to seeing you on my team.